January is our month of confidence to prepare, and one familiar example of this in the UK can be seen how some students, the early birds, approach GCSE and A-level revision. From the outside, exam results can look sudden, lucky even. Grades arrive, doors open, decisions are made. But behind many strong results are students who began quietly, long before they had to. Not everyone does this. In every year group there are different approaches, but the students who cope most calmly when exams arrive are often the ones who started early. They didn't begin with intense cramming. They began with a timetable. Not an ambitious one, not an exhausting one. Just a realistic plan that spread effort over time. Short sessions, clear subjects, regular breaks. These students didn't feel confident at the start. They didn't need to. They simply showed up. What mattered wasn't how hard they worked on any single day, but that they returned to the material again and again. This early preparation creates a different experience later on. Instead of panic, there is familiarity. Instead of guessing, there is recognition. They know the question styles. They understand the structure. They've seen it all before. That familiarity is what allows calm to appear under pressure. The same pattern can be seen in children learning English. Parents sometimes worry when progress isn't obvious, when speaking feels hesitant, when writing doesn't flow yet. But just like exam preparation, confidence doesn't usually come from a last-minute effort. It comes from groundwork laid quietly by those who start early. Regular reading, repeated sentence patterns, predictable lesson routines. These don't feel dramatic. They rarely look impressive in the moment. But they build the familiarity children rely on later, when they're asked to speak, write, or perform. When preparation has been done early, pressure has less power. Children don't feel rushed when it matters. They feel steady. Not because they worked harder at the end, but because they gave themselves time at the beginning. That's what the early birds understand. Confidence isn't forced at the finish line. It's built quietly, long before. Confidence comes first.